visit, I would like to ask your concern. Parents and godparents, is it your will that Glenda and Alicia should keep up ties in the feet of the church, which we and the Holy Spirit? His body, sharing everlasting life.
Ay, hindi. Tinanggal niya yung dilaw.
Hello, may picture na sa dito. It's iPhone 15 kasi.
Oh, pakit yan, oh.
You have to eat first. Ask nanay for food.
Johan!
That's one.
Say hi, Johan. Oh, smile, smile. Mommy, smile now, mommy. Ask si Adi. Mommy.
Johan.
Video, sabi ko rin.
1, 2, 3.
What does it mean?
Mukbang. With my ate. Oh, ate. Andito kami ngayon sa Hayat. Kain kayo. Video.
Pwede ba ba? Pwede ba ba? Using buttons.
Shooting ba yun? Oo, shooting yun. Kaya nga na-out na si Michael doon sa PBB.
Ano bang ano yun? Ano bang...
Alright, everyone.
May cake sila.
Dad. It's cold, right? It's cold. Pay-pay mo si Mami.
Ayan,
Hi! Hi! I have already picture. I have already.
Ayan. Alright, go in front and then we're gonna your photo with him.
Picture daw kayo kasama si Vienna. Kasama mo si Vienna.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Okay, may pababa, sir. Kailangan. Ayan. Okay na, sir. Okay na. Okay. We need to remove it. Nakakulat yan sila. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Sinabi nun ulit kanina. Sir, hindi po ako kasali, sir. Sir, hindi po ako kasali. Okay. Hindi, huwag niyo po ilagay dito, sir. Cheating po yun. Okay. Alright. Okay. Dalawa mo lang na your message, sir. Yes. Go. Okay, what's your message to him? Go. Parang naghihirap na siya, sir. Kasi yung message mo, go lang. Alright. Okay. Alright. Next. Okay. Next.